we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and sometimes confusing and often mispronounced names too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So, how do you pronounce this name? Well, it depends on the language. In Italian, it is said as Placido, Placido. In Spanish, though, it is normally pronounced as Placido, Placido. This is a name that obviously means placid in both those languages. Yeah, that's what it means. So it'd be fine in English to say it as Placido, Placido. And yeah, now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce. Yeah, what I meant and what I forgot is that this is a word also, at least in Spanish, not only a name. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names here. Thanks for watching.